Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to add tick symbol in MS Word. So often we find it difficult to add tick symbol in MS Word. So go in Insert tab, click on symbol, and here in below you can see more symbol. Click on this and you can see here a dialog box showing different option. Go in font and select from here Wingdings. Here you can see Wingdings. Click on this and enter here the code of tick mark. The code of tick mark is 252. So remember it, whenever you want to add tick mark, enter here its code 252 and click on insert button and close. Here you can see the tick mark is added. So this is how you can add tick mark in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.